everyone, it's Erin here from Metro Property Management, and we're just going to do a quick instructional video on how to take photos for property inspections. So stand by and we'll get the lowdown on that. So when you first enter a room, you want to stand in one corner and aim your camera down towards the floor. Snap a photo. Raise the camera up to about mid level and snap a photo, and then raise the camera up to get the ceiling and snap a photo. Then you're going to want to move to the next corner of your room and do the same thing. Low, middle, and high. Once you've finished taking the photos in each corner of the room, you want to get a close-up photo of any nicks, wear, tear, and so on. And then a corresponding photo to identify the location of that nick or damage.